1969 Chevrolet Corvette 2-top convertible for sale in Wichita, Kansas 67206. This Chevrolet Corvette is powered by a rebuilt 5.7 liters 350 V8 gas engine, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. It has had a documented restoration done in 2015. The odometer reads 27,233 miles. This beauty is shown in LeMans Blue and has a blue interior. Features: rebuilt cylinder heads, Edelbrock Performer Plus cam lifter kit and timing chain set, Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold, Demon carburetor, Pentronix electronic ignition, new U-joints, wheel bearings, exhaust, brake master cylinder and transmission. Crossmember. Seller's note: this Corvette comes with 2 removable tops. Please call 402-502 to 8,385 for more information. Attention buyers, caveat emptor: please remember to inspect vehicle prior to purchase.